Welcome back, guys. All right, these are some of the things them that I bought at Home Goods. So hold on 1 second after the intro. All right, so I just come yesterday. I clean and just come in, take a shower. I'm gonna show now what I buy at home. I should have carry on with me, but couldn't bother with the video something. So me that clean. So when you spring cleaning at your house, you actually throw away some things and you just feel like you want a few new things. So I just run go get some stuff. So I say when I come home, I go show you what I buy. I wanna tell me if you don't like them, alright? So let's go over my office because I carry them upstairs. Sometimes you go buy some things, right? But you don't really want your partner to see them, You just want to pop them up in the place. Just one pop up there, so one pop up here, so. And then, boops. Him come in and him see them and him like, when you buy this? When you buy that? And that me I do because him not there here now. So me I go show you when me buy, okay? He might see this video, so. Come let me show you what me buy. So alright, so the bag them here. So I'm gonna go through them and show you. So my office here, guys. This is where I sit down and do my vlog on Sunday. I actually want to set it up nicely because I don't know me I go do. I don't know me I go do me you call it my book launch. So I launch my book. Alright, here's some I want my book for them. Right beside my picture here, so. Right, this I want my book for them. So I buy a little shelf on Amazon. So I at here. So I take it through down right so I mash it up. I buy this, guys. I buy this at Home Goods. Look on it. I want to put on my table. Jesus, it's so nice. See that? I want to put on my table. Bling bling. I love bling bling, you see. So I want to put it on my table, my dining table. I also buy these napkins to put in the plate with a knife and fork. I buy these kind of, what do I call this now? It kind of feel more like a rope thingy. So I buy 8 of them here because 8 chairs. I buy 8 of those. Alright, so this I buy from Amazon to put my book them on, right? So let's show you. Alright, so let me give you a backup. This need to go. Alright, hold on. Let me give you a backup, right? So this is it. But anytime I finish it, you can always show you. So now we see it, right? Okay, so let me show you now. Let me show you which part I'm going to put it. So, buy this on Amazon, right? So, it's going to be like, I'm going to put this so. Right, I'm going to put it so. So, this come like this. So, it come with the two thingy. The two hole with the screw them for go. So, we put it like this. And then I'm going to put one right here. So, you kind of see the draft. So, we can put the book on here. And I thread them. This one more here. Put one here, and then so we can put up a book. Understand? Okay, guys. So the kettle is for where the price is. Shit. $24.99. That's for the kettle. You see it have this board handle. It's cute. Right? It's cute, right? Alright, so these glasses is for $14.99. So let's open it. There it is. cute, right? Zoom it in. Actually, I have the small ones to this on here. They're right here on here. So let's just rest these right there for now. Those are supposed to go on the table downstairs. Alright, so what else I bought this spoon tray. And it was the last one. It was on clearance for $10. But nice. You know, Home Goods sell nice stuff. Quality stuff. See? I never see one somebody love bling bling like me. Bling bling. You know, I buy this because I want to put it on my entertainment center. It's candle holder. So rest them right here because I don't want them to break. I bought two. They are $9.99 each. So these are some lovely candle holder. Alright. This is the big one, guys. So we're gonna put the small one here, one here. Did I buy a set of this? I don't even remember. Okay, let me see how much for this. $14.99. I think I did. Yeah, it was up here. So these are for the table. These are for the table downstairs. Yep. So I'll just rest that there. What else did I buy? Okay, so I bought these glasses. I know. Yeah. So this, I bought 2 sets. So I bought 4. These glasses, same glasses. So I'm gonna set up my table, guys. When I set it up, you guys will see it. As I said, I'm doing something a little different from the norm. Okay, just rest it right here. Because I'm gonna work downstairs tomorrow. Lovely picture frame to put a nice photo in with me and Obi. I think I'm gonna put this downstairs on the entertainment center. See, beautiful, right? This is the first picture frame I ever bought. So expensive, guys. Normally my picture frame them are like for $2 and I get them at Dollar General. I don't buy picture frame over $3. And I remember back in Jamaica, I used to buy picture frame for $800. That was like 2008. My last picture frame, I think, was 2008. It was $800 and something. And when I come here, I was like, one picture frame for $1. When you go in Dollar Tree, you get nice picture frame for $1. So this is the most expensive picture frame I ever bought since I come into the States because I love bling bling. You see how bling bling it is? Let's put the cost to it. This is the most expensive. And I was going to buy a pair, but then I said, no, I only need one. I just want to put it someplace nice. Okay, this is my most expensivest. That's all. Alright. So I bought this little mat, and the reason for buying this mat, there's more stuff. Yeah, it smells so good. Wow. Okay, the reason for buying this mat, I wanted to set up like when I have a little picnic or something like that, or a birthday or dinner. Sometimes I'll move this and set up a table right here, or we can do it downstairs, but here sometimes just move it and set up a little picnic right here, where put some flowers on, set up a table, candlelight. This was my vision when I bought this. That was my vision when I bought this rug. Okay, so it's very, very cute. See that? It's nice. Let's move it, show you. So it could come right here. It's big enough. It's big enough, guys. You can see that it's big enough. And let's show you. Like for instance, I have, let me see if I have it. Well, this is pink. In this little cabinet here, I have some roses. Even though they are not the real ones, but there it is. I have some. So I could do like this. You know. So cute, right? Yeah. Okay. This is absolutely stunning. So that's what I bought. I have some more things downstairs, guys. So that's what I bought at Home Goods, guys. Okay, so let's show you how this mat look. The vision that I have for it. This is what it looks like. I mean, I haven't set up properly, but you know, but that's the vision I had when I pick up this mat. I'm not gonna always have it spread out someplace. I'm just gonna keep it for our picnic. So like when a birthday and we're not going out or something, I could just decorate this mat and use these two chairs like this one. Let's take up me at when I want to carry down a mobile on the beach side. So I could actually set up this could actually be the table, right? Let's show you. So this could actually be the table. We could sit on this mat. We could use either chair. Well, a lot of stuff are packed up in this chair right now, but we could use this chair and do some, you know, some decoration. What do you think? Wanna talk to me in the comment section. Wanna think me have a vision here, so? Tell me. Let's have a look at cabinet. But when we set up this office, this was also my hangout space with me and my husband. You know, all of this not going to be here, but that was the vision to, you know, when we want to hang out, maybe have a drink, we could come right at this spot. The window is right here. We could look outside. We could pull up the glass and look what outside looks like. And yeah, so that's the vision. So this is everything that I bought. Let's bring you up close. These two candle holder. And this is what this looked like before. You know, my cousin made these for me. She do this. So she made those glass candles for me. So I put them here. And these are going downstairs. They're not going to be on here because I already have candle on here. So I just need these for the table. These four glasses. These four glass. What glasses? Right, these four glass and the candle holder. All these are going down. So, but you see what I talk about, guys? You see my vision? Talk to me. You see my vision? So, see my most expensive This is the most expensive 5x7 picture frame that I bought since I come to the States. And this is my office, guys, and this is where I sit down and do my little work. As you see, it's untidy, but it is what it is for now. I'm gonna put all of these in a container because these files are for my business and those are 2022, so some of them can pack away. So I'll be going through that. 2021, sorry. I'll be going through that soon. I have some things here, some books and stuff that I need to file. So, but yeah, this is in my office, guys. See all the garbage here? I'm gonna pack them away, bring the candle, and I'm gonna organize back up in here. Gonna put away the mat for those special occasion, right back into one of these bags and put them in the closet someplace. That special occasion mat this. Oh my god, here hubby there. Hubby come and I don't want him see all of this. Bye guys. So guys, I actually buy this. I saw it and I love it. It looks cute. And I bought this M as well. And I also bought this D. Stay over your side and I'll stay over mine. Okay? So it's DM or MD. See? Cute, right? Oh, I should have bought this M&D. Look what I bought at Home Goods. Yay! You know, I bought these at Home Goods as well. These, I bought them a good while ago. Yeah. I bought them at Home Goods. I like Home Goods product. They have some good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you like this video, I'll show you how I set up my table, because I have some new stuff, guys. Adios. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video.